Good day, everyone. Welcome back to Corel Digital Training. We are still on our web design training. Okay, today we're talking about the terms involved in web design. There are so many terms you're going to encounter when we start this training, and if you're not conversant with them, you won't be able to flow very well. So, number one term is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. And this is a general language for web design. So if you're a web designer and you don't know HTML, you have not started. This is the language that the web browser understands, the major language of web design. So this HTML tells your browser, your Chrome, your Mozilla, your Opera Mini, it tells it how to treat a particular content. CSS, on the other hand, it means cascading style sheet. This is not the major language. You can do without CSS, but you can't do without HTML. CSS, it only adds beautification to the HTML code. It makes your work to be more neat, more beautiful, more styled. You can add any font of your choice, add any alignment, align to any word of your choice using CSS. So HTML can only allow you to put in the website, add the text, but if you want to get the color of a text, want to change the color to black, blue, you use CSS. Want to change, align it very well, want to add more beautification to it, you use CSS. So CSS is also important in creating a very attractive website. So the next thing is JavaScript. JavaScript is a script language. It's not a major language, just a script language. Understands that allows you to create interaction between your website. It is not the same. Remember, this JavaScript is not the same as Java programming language. Java programming language is a different programming language of its own, like HTML. But JavaScript is a script language that allows you to create an interaction to your website. For instance, I don't know if you have noticed whenever you are filling a form and you missed one field and click submit, there will be a pop up like pom you have not filled so thing. You can achieve that thing with JavaScript. JavaScript is what that helps you to do that. So that's JavaScript. I know you understand JavaScript very well. So now let's go to the next thing. Responsive design is another term in web design. You can see you have different types of devices. You have laptop, laptop, you have a phone, you have iPad. So making your website to look good on the other devices is called a responsive design. Your website don't need to look good on the laptop and it doesn't look good on the phone. So making it to look good on the phone, the laptop, and other devices is called responsive designing. The next thing is SaaS. SaaS is known as software as a service. Software as a service. It means any service that provides a software platform delivered from or through the cloud. That is, for example, you have a Microsoft Office. It's an example of a SaaS software. Like Google Docs is a SaaS software because Google Docs, where you have Google Forms, I taught you that in the last class. When you have is an app, Google Docs is an app, but it's being done on the web. So like Photoshop, Express, and the rest of them, there are many of them. So that is the SaaS. Another thing is A and B testing. A/B testing is the method of trying out different ways of achieving end result with the aim of discovering the most effective and economic way. So you try different things when you want to start your website. You can try this way, try the other way, and compare it. Anyone that works better for you, you decide to take it as your most optimized method. So this process is called A and B testing. So the next thing is ARIA. ARIA means accessible rich internet application. It helps to describe the technology employed to help to bridge the gap between users and the website. So this is majorly on UX design, user experience design. So in this area, you have to define or is involve the technology that is being employed in the interaction between you, the website owner, and the website and the users that's using the website. The next thing we want to talk about is information architecture. Information architecture on its own is a term that is used to describe the schematic layout of content and information on a website. It is called IA. Hearing me say IA, it's called information architecture. It is concerned with making it possible for users to find information they are looking for on your website. So this is called the information architecture. The next thing is the server-side scripting. The server-side scripting is a generic term that is used to describe the language used to program the server-side data manipulation. So this is a language like, for instance, how many of them? Like PHP is the most commonly used server-side scripting. In our advanced class, we have advanced class who will teach you how to write PHP codes. But in this preliminary class, I'm going to only teach you HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So, but PHP and MySQL is very important to server-side scripting. So let's talk about MySQL. As I mentioned it before, SQL is known as structured querying language. It is used to communicate with a database, the language for relational database management system. For instance, if you are creating an e-commerce website, you also need this SQL. It's very, very important because this is what to record the amount of goods and customer has purchased and automatically calculates it, the price, and stores the information on the database. The same thing with PHP. These are database languages. So this is the end of the terms we'll be using in this web design training. Thank you very much. See you in the next class.